Lips.
Oh boy.
So what we're gonna do, leftovers of the foundation goes right on the lips.
Okay.
And we're gonna do some contour first. So something brighter.
I look at myself and it looks like I have a filter. Like now I totally like that's what makeup supposed to do. I was like, oh, I look so good.
So
like,
good.
okay.
I know.
Look at you.
Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna do half of the something I need to. Maybe going a little over. They have those huge eyes. You want to have a little bit of
and I
lips.
naturally have very little lips.
No, it's good shape. We just want to make sure it's all balanced on the face.
Okay, so I'm just following what you did here.
Yeah, exactly the same. Yeah.
Did you outline the whole lip?
Yeah. I just blended a little bit that line.
Okay.
Okay. Nice.
Yay? Nay?
Yay.
Okay.
Yeah. Beautiful. Not gonna go with crazy color. I want to see the shape, but not a lot of color on the lips. We're gonna wait. It's matte color.
Okay.
And we're gonna wait till it's go dry. Then we add a little bit of lip gloss on the top.
Okay.
But the color should settle first. Okay.
Wow. Oh my goodness.
Clear, but with a little tiny.
So when you do lipstick, do you ever press your lips, or is that like a no-no? Like to go.
I never
Okay.
do this because sometimes I add a couple of different colors.
Shades, okay.
Yeah, and when you do
Yeah.
this, it's just like all mixed up.
Yeah.
And I'm like, hey, don't. But yeah, it's up to you guys. Whatever. I always say you have to feel comfortable, and it doesn't matter what you do. You just if you feel comfortable, good.
I like that. I know this is the gloss.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little bit on the top.
What kind of gloss are we using here?
So I think it's Chanel.
Okay. Is that your
Yeah.
preferred? That's what you like? I'm always looking for good gloss, or just does it not matter?
It's plumping lip gloss, so it has a little like mint in it, and
Okay.
it gives you a little more kind of like plump to the lip.
Alright, good.
But I use different, and
Okay.
I always try different kind of
Stuff.
makeup and different stuff. So pretty.
Oh shoot! No, blend. I did.
Yeah. See, it's okay. Look down. I'll just press a little more out there because what's happening when you're not pressing enough, the pencils start like rolling.
Okay.
So I'll just press a little more.
Okay.
Oh, it's so sparkly and pretty. I like it. Okay, my darling. So only thing, like the last step usually for me, for my clients, I just spray them with a little I use different stuff like finishing spray, or like this is just like refresh facial mist. You can use thermal water, so it's up to you.
Okay.
Yeah, but it
And this just helps
to
set everything, or
set everything
okay.
and blend a powdery layer on your face with the oils, and it just sets so much nicer.
Okay, so close
your
my eyes.
Oh, we forgot to do your eyebrows. Bye.